Hi, I'm Rick from Rockler. Everyone knows that the best gifts are handmade. I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn one of these handles. One of the things I like about working on projects like this is that each one is unique and a one of a kind. We offer a wide variety of materials, including acrylics, exotics, and domestic woods. You can even use leftover cutoffs, like this one if you want. I'm going to go with this piece of Paduke. The first thing we need to do is drill the end of the blank for the threaded insert. The threaded insert makes mounting the blanks easy, fast, and safe. It also allows the handle to be interchangeable with different hardware. To drill the hole, I'm going to use the drill press and the Rockler pen press drilling jig. You don't have to use this jig, but it works really well for holding your blank in place and keeps it square while you're drilling. I should take a moment to talk about safety. I have on a turner's apron, which helps keep the chips out of my shirt, and because some of the materials can irritate my skin. And I will be wearing a pair of bench dog safety glasses. They also include a set of retractable earplugs. I'm using an Excelsior mini lathe. It's a great lathe for beginners and advanced users alike. I've decked it out with a dust collection and chip deflector. These carbide tools from Rockler are great. They come in different shapes and have replaceable cutters that can rotate so you always have a sharp edge. Let's get started. First, I'm going to round the blank. Now I'm going to create my shape. This is the fun part. Now I'm going to switch to the diamond tip and add some details. Now it's ready for sanding. I'm going to use progressively finer sandpaper strips like these available at Rockler, then switch to some micro mesh pads to give it a nice smooth finish. Now let's get the tool rest out of the way for sanding. Now it's time to apply a finish. The polish I like to use is Mylan's high friction polish. You can apply it with your handle still on the lathe or later if you prefer. Okay, now that I've made the handle, I can attach any of the Rockler high quality hardware. Bottle opener, pizza cutter, or ice cream scoop. These are easy for the beginner to produce and make great one-of-a-kind handmade gifts. Thanks for watching. Happy turning.